What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be heat pressing high visibility jackets. Okay, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go ahead and measure it just to make sure that we have enough room, or just to get an idea how big the logo has to be. I can make it about 10 by 9, something like that. And I use the Caesar Easy Weed blue or light blue, orange and black. Now I got a few questions when it comes to vectorizing images. Software that comes with the Graphtec, in this case the CM3, it doesn't vectorize images. So for that you would need CorelDRAW or any other vector images software. Don't forget that whenever you're doing heat press, always mirror the images. And the settings I use on the Graphtec: offset 0, speed 34, acceleration 1, cut force 12. These are the settings recommended by Caesar Easy Weed. Okay, we got our vinyls right here, and I'm about to do weed out. And I'm gonna start with this part. I think I'm gonna have to replace the blade, the cutting blade. I can see some of the letters, I don't know, they just look weird. And this is so easy to weed out. That's what they call it, Caesar Easy Weed, because it actually is really easy to weed out. And I'm so used to putting some lines across the vinyl because I'm so used to doing decals, and sometimes I forget that you don't really need to do that to this type of vinyl. I mean, they're not that bad, just a little bit. Before I actually take it to the heat press, let me just give you an idea for those that don't know. You can heat press Caesar Easy Weed on either 100% cotton, 100% polyester, or any kind of blend. As long as it has cotton and polyester, you can heat press it onto that. You cannot do it on nylon. And the jacket that we have here is Cornerstone, and you can get it from GF Shirts. You can type in the code number that I'm gonna leave, and it's not a paid link or anything. I'm not getting paid, it's just the number that you can type in, and you will find exactly this one right here. Okay, this is the first time we do this kind of jacket. I'm going to pre-press it, and just to get an idea how this is going to react to the heat, although I know it's made out of polyester, but just to get an idea, just to make sure, we're just going to use the Teflon sheet in a few seconds. And I can tell the pressure is kind of, it's not how it's supposed to be. And you got a basic idea, and I don't want the logo to be way too high. I know that about there is good, and I'm just going to measure it to the sides just to make sure. I'm gonna use the Teflon sheet to protection, just to make sure that it doesn't burn the garment, just like that. I'm just gonna give it a few seconds to the orange color, and after that I'm gonna add the blue on top. And the reason I put the yellow, the orange first, is because I know that the blue is gonna be on top of the yellow, or at least part of it's going to be on top of the orange color, which is not gonna be a big deal. It's just going to be like a little piece, not that much. Okay, there we go. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a few seconds, and then I'm gonna remove the tape, transfer tape. If I do the full cycle, sometimes you will see the little square or the little marks that the transfer tape will leave behind. That's the reason I'm going to remove it right now. Now I can do the full cycle. Okay, and if you guys decide to get this type of jacket, just to make sure, I usually wear a large size, and this one's a medium size, and you can see that it's a little bit bigger. But the good thing is that you can always wear a hoodie underneath it and you will be fine. It doesn't have that Or actually, I think it does have like the hood, but it's just inside this thing because I can feel something right here and it's kind of thick, so it must be the hoodie that's hiding. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell. That way you get notifications next time we upload another video. And if you want to get exactly this kind of jacket, don't forget to follow the link and enter the code. And we're not getting paid, just making it easier for you to find this, exactly this kind of jacket. See you guys until the next time, and don't forget to share this video. Later.